The original vision for Las Vegas Club was to bring high-end sports hospitality in a more fun and playful way, leaning on the location of Vegas and really pulling the Vegas theme into our suites. Year 2 in Vegas, Signify joined us as a partner, and with that came the enhancement of the lighting. Being a night race in Las Vegas, lighting is essential, and working with Signify uplifted our Year 1 Las Vegas Club. We have 3 floors and a garden, and each one of those floors have a very specific purpose, and with that purpose comes a different need and a different demand from the lighting.
We worked really close together with Mercedes Formula One team to translate their vision into what the lighting experiences could be. What are those experiences that you want to have there, and how then light can elevate that experience.
Las Vegas Club offers us the ability to design a suite and a structure and an interior that is specific to its current location and pull the Vegas theme through into our clubs.
At Signify, we really care about sustainability. So even for this temporary event, we had 3D printed luminaires. So they're quite sustainable because we're trying to use recycled materials.
With the Garden of Las Vegas Club, one of the main focuses is the simulator. This offers our guests a chance to really jump in the driving seat. To enhance this, we used the Signify Philips Hue consumer products and showcased how you could enhance your gaming experience and viewing experience at home. To make Vegas Club a success, we really needed to work closely with the Signify designers.
We're trying to represent the brand values of Mercedes Formula One team, but still lean into what Vegas is all about. And we're really trying to use light to bring their vision to life.